Just wow. Or Carly and Sandy down there, if they're not brave, there's or they can just be repairing the bridges, and it's gonna fall apart. Yep. Let's turn around, and the unrealistic hills. Yep, saw that coming. Oh, saw that coming. Yeah, right. Of course they look through. Be quiet, Sandy. Oh, their axles are going up. I gotta pull the rocks. Is there a coupling? Oh, they're clear. I totally want that to be saved. Yep. Sandy's gonna pull something. They're gonna repair it. And he's gonna jump across. A winch around this wall. Well, it makes sense to be around the coupling. And they made us go with the slow motion, of course. Just of course. And it's zip line. And brings it back over. How is she moving? Oh, I got clicky clack. Oh, yeah, don't show how they're doing it, obviously. Oh, it's the old iron bridge at Proteus, or the engine fell off. But they moved it. Or Gordon's Hill. Now there's 4 tracks. I thought there's really 2. You with your clown horn, just get out of here. And there are the fireworks. Did young Bob bring those? Shouldn't he be? He shouldn't be scared. Of course he is. Oh, they're going down Campbell Curve. Okay, Gordon's Hill. Well, that was all for All Engines Go. That was that for that episode. That was it. That's really it. That was it. Well, bye guys. I'll talk to you. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.